Hey up YouTube, it's Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. The sun is out. It's spring. Well, we don't know yet. It's Saturday, is it the 5th of April? And yeah, the sun's out. It's been out for a week. It hasn't rained for a bit, has it? Really dry. And oh, yeah, well. We're in Yorkshire. We're just outside Settle. We're going to do a few lanes around here. Not done them before, seen on videos and stuff, and we'll see how it goes. We're on the big in today, the 790. So fancy bit of off-roading in Yorkshire, as I say. Stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Let's go and see what these Yorkshire lanes are all about. First gear, installing it. It's a lot about. So this is our first one. I've got no idea what it's going to be like on this thing, but I just think they're just a bit loose rock and stuff, I believe. I don't think there's much. There's not gnarly what we have over in our area, I don't think. Ooh, that's the first steps I didn't realise it was that big. And this takes us over, right over. It's a fair lane, I believe. I'm looking, where the hell's it going? I thought it was restricted byway. That's that one, isn't it? So yeah, a lot of loose gravel stuff. No. Hey up. And sort of gravel tracks, really. Yeah, that's the restricted one. But they're fair lengths, I believe. Some of these. Finding the best route to be in. I think this takes you over near Pen-y-ghent, which you can see right in front of us. It's a bit windy today. It's been windy for about 4 days now. It's not much calmer today, really. And their horses. Well, a bit rutty, but it's dry, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's not rained for what, 3 weeks? Which isn't so bad. But yeah, this is the Ribblesdale, isn't it? This is. So the River Ribble comes from all the way up here, all the way to Preston. There it is there. Big stone quarries around here. Don't know what they're bringing out of there. Limestone, probably, some sort of thing. and you head off up there, you end up at Ribblesdale, Ribbleshead Viaduct up the top there. Yeah, it's alright. So yeah, it's my first outing up here. Hopefully it's not going to end up in cheers, sir. It's not going to end up in tears, I hope not. Oh, Christ, I didn't know. I didn't realise there was like back home full of gates. Should have brought somebody with me. Shouldn't I? So many of you? Oh.
Simon B, innit?
It is, aye.
Aye.
How are we doing?
Alright, are you?
Yeah, good chat.
Yeah. How'd you like your 790?
Sorry?
How'd you like your 790?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one of them.
Yeah, I don't know whether I should have kept the 690 now.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just one of those things, isn't it? Just a little bit big. Just a little bit big.
Right, well enjoy yourself wherever you're up to. Yeah, we're heading up doing all the tent, and then we're stopping overnight in Bedale.
All right.
And then we're making our way over to the Lake District tomorrow morning.
All right.
And they're doing all the tent around there. So,
Right,
yeah.
right.
Full weekend of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Cracking weather. A bit chilly, but there you go.
It is, I know. It's supposed
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
to warm up, innit? Aye, well, a bit loose. What do you expect? This is the time that momentum is your friend, isn't it? Oop, a fair size rock. But like you say, cheers. Didn't realise there was that many gates up here. It's like being at home. I'm mad, isn't I? I'll swear inside. So, thank you. I've opened this gate, that's all right then. Yeah, so. Oh. So that thing there is Pen-y-ghent. Like I say, it's a bit barren up here, but it's not so warm. Bloody hell, it's got 8 degrees. Fucking freezing. Pen-y-ghent footpath. Cheers. A lot of walkers around here, this area, because of Pen-y-ghent and things like that. A lot of ones with happy faces as well. Total happy faces. The other one is up here somewhere, I believe. Which then goes up over around the top of there and into, is it not Nidderdale? Can't think what it is. Some shape. Apparently there's plenty of gates on this one as well. Go this way. Jesus, that wind and half got up. Yeah, we're in Baden country at the moment. Ah, here it is down here. I believe. Yeah. Let's see that going up there. Look at the stuff round here, huh? Well, might as well follow him really. I'll open the gate and show a gate. That's where we're going. Fucking gates everywhere. Already got it. I'll get the next one. Come on. Weird, isn't it? Go all the way up here, not see anybody anywhere, and all of a sudden you see the fall of the buggers. Now, I'm imagining straight on here. Where does this fucking come? It's too large, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like wheels, isn't it, for the gates?
Sorry?
It's like wheels for the gates.
I know, it's like home! Fucking up by us! Who shuts this one then?
Like and subscribe.